Open! Open! You jump there. Open! You jump there. Having like machines. Human behave.
The leader of opposition in Parliament, Joel Senyonyi, informed the House, chaired by the Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayebwa, of 3 members of Parliament who were on Monday arrested and remanded after security blocked a press conference of the National Unity Platform Party. The MPs in prison include Francis Zaake of Mityana Municipality, Hassan Kirumira of Katikamu South, and Charles Tebandeke of Bale County.
I think it would be a good thing for government to help us understand the seeming double standards there are, because several other political entities keep operating.
The Prime Minister Robin Anabanja disputed the LOP's submissions, justifying with the constitutional provision allowing the security sector to prevent a suspected crime.
You know, these illegal people think for us we don't read. The government of Uganda is charged with the responsibility to take care of security of people and persons and their property. And so it is under that some of our colleagues are under detention. But the law is clear.
There was chaos in the House which convened amid a high tension after the wide security deployment blocking a section of the dubbed youth who had wanted to march to Parliament to present a petition.
There were no evidence. If someone is moving to attend a press conference, what evidence do you have that the person wanted to disorganize the government?
The Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayebwa informed the members who had turned to be compulsive talkers, throwing verbal attacks against others to press a pardon button, as the House is yet to consider the recent State of the Nation address by the President, which contained all the demands fronted.
Because when it comes to issues of colleagues here, we are all endangered species. In all this we are doing, if the thinking is that some are going to come out clean and others dirty, I can tell you we are all in trouble. If we are to sink, we shall sink together.
Tayebwa later allowed the MPs to continue with the discussion after the matters on the order paper were exhausted. Maugara County MP Goreti Namuga narrated the event which led to the arrest of the 3 new party MPs.
Mr. Speaker, are we proceeding very well? No. If we sit in this house when the law is totally being disbanded, we are acting out of the Constitution, outside the law, right, Honorable Speaker. Is it intentional?
The Attorney General Kiryowa Kiwanuka reminded the MPs of sub judice of court. The arrested MPs were arraigned in court and remanded to Luzira prison. Kiryowa Kiwanuka asks that the law is respected to take its course.
So in an attempt to think that you're doing them a favor, you may actually do them a disservice. So when these matters are in court, when you stand here and say this person was doing this and this and this, you have no idea what this person has told the police he was doing. So you may actually do them a disservice.
The interpretation of the powers of the police was also a concern. MP for Remiaga County Theodore Sechikubo alleged that the MPs were arraigned in court beyond the illegal hours, to which the Attorney General responded.
Colleagues, we are leaders here. For someone to say here that people were presented in court at night and remanded is wrong. You know? No, because court has working hours.
Is that police is drifting away from the guidance of the Constitutional Court in the conduct of their affairs. And I think that's where the problem is. For example, the issue of meetings of political parties are outside the purview in terms of notification.
The Deputy Speaker Thomas Tayebwa has interested the members to await a business committee meeting which will handle a way forward to the concerns of the MPs. Daniel Mugoya, Gloria Gitabenji, UBC News.
From Kampala.